Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to try something. We're going to bling our character up. Really cool, change of personality completely. And one I've chosen, because I'm a big Simpsons fan, I've chosen Professor Frink. Remember Professor Frink? You know Professor Frink? Professor Frink will make you laugh, will make you think. You know that guy. So, how we start with this guy? So, we're going to start with a really long, sort of oval shape for his head. Kind of head's a little bit like Homer's head, but it's longer and thinner. I think like that. So just have that sort of general shape in our minds like that. And then we can start to put the various details in. So I'm going to do his ear down there. Round ear, like a Simpsons one. And I think his glasses are going to go somewhere around here. And here. Ooh, not too big. Something along those lines. Remember, now's the way to now's the time to make the mistakes with the pictures. Okay, there's a little lump there before he's getting to the forehead, like on most Simpsons characters. They have that little lump on the eyebrow. And his head comes down here like this, and then into the shoulder there. This one's going to go on his lip, it's going to come out like that and back up like this. So that's looking kind of Franky already, isn't it? Here we go, his specs. And his hair would be up there. I'm going to do it in lightly where his hair would be, because I'm not sure if we're going to use it yet when we bling him up. So let's move that up a little bit there. So that is looking good. We need a little couple of teeth up there as well. And then it'll come down like that. There we go, roughly around there is where his neck's going to be. And then his shirt and his lab coat and stuff will be down there like that. I'm going to draw sort of just roughly where the rest of his body would be. Very, very gently, because again, I don't know what sort of direction we're going to take this in yet. We'll do an arm coming up. And there'll be a hand on the end of that. Down there, straight like that. Okay, that's good. So we've got the basics there now. He's looking kind of Franky. We can start putting the details in now. So I think if we give him an eyebrow there and an eyebrow across there, but this one's got shaved bits in it there. That's pretty cool. Then what else can we give him? Let's give him let's get rid of the hair there. We're going to have little bits of remnants of the hair coming down here. Like, there we go. So just a little bit coming out there, and then that's proper bandana. This is looking good already. What else should we give him? Should we give him an earring? Or should it be a stud? Yeah, something along those lines. Anyway, he's looking a little piratey at the moment, isn't he? Let's stick a vest on him. That's pretty cool. Pretty rappery, isn't it? That's nice. And this one I'm going to do... That's pretty cool. I like that. He needs some tats, but he would have like sciencey ones, so like, I don't know, like chemical symbols or planets or something. Let's put a little planet on that one. Put an F for Frink on there. Put a little pi sign maybe. Yeah, I'm liking this. This is looking good. He needs a chain, at least one, to look really blingy, properly blingy. Another one around there, shorter one. Yeah, he's looking pretty good, right? Old Frinkster didn't come up too bad. What else should we give him? Should we give him a little cool little moustache as well? Oh man, yeah, he's looking cool, right? He's looking good. Right, let's give some ink in. I'll leave the eyes there because I think they can be sort of shades. Because that's cool. Everyone knows shades are cool. Here we go. This is going to be nice. See, if you're doing this with me, take more care than I'm taking. I'm being kind of rough with this. And do add your own aspects that you want. You can add anything you like, make them look really, really cool. I'm actually going to change that into a diamond on the ear there. Okay, the tash in there, little moustache. Looking pretty cool. Couple of teeth. Take that down for the first one there. Second one there too. Nice. I'll leave the tats for a second. Maybe we'll do them different colour. It's not bad, is it? It's looking okay. Let's change this a little bit there. Or maybe we need a bit of a neck tat as well in a second. He's a lot cooler though, right? A lot cooler. Okay, let's get some colour on this. Excuse me while I vacate the situation. I'm back. Simpsons are yellow. Kind of. Brush pens are great. Brush pens are great for outlines. Brush pens are great for filling in a lot of colour at once, but you don't have to use those. You can use regular old felt tips. Or any colours you like, really. You don't even have to colour it at all. I don't colour most of my stuff, do I? But do it however you want. And that is the right way. Let me know if you want me any more blings. Bling ups as well. It's just a fun idea. But if you want me to do certain characters, let me know. Especially kind of dweeby ones, kind of characters that aren't very cool. I like calling people up. We can nerd them, I guess. We can nerd them out in that sort of way. Let's do some of these blue with the tattoos. Yeah, that's it. That's it. We'll have a little bit of a skull there. Cool. I'm loving our cool Frink. We blinged up a Frink. I like that. I hope you do too. Do your own. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and let me know who you want me to bling up next, because I'm really keen to bling up some more people. Till next time. I'll see you next time on CaptainFishbeard.com.